can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Zcash. Zcash is up 29% over the last 24 hours. Zcash has rallied up by more than 248% over the last 1 month. On a yearly time frame, Zcash is up a whopping 494%. Zcash, currently trading around $171, has rallied up to as high as $177. In this video, we look at Zcash performance against the US dollar on a 3-day time frame. Zcash has been pumping. Zcash is going to higher prices, the highest prices we have seen since early 2022. How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? Is the top in? Can we set new all-time highs? We look at the fear and greed index. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Should we be selling our Zcash? We also pay attention to the altcoin season index. How will that affect Zcash? When are we going to see altcoin season? Then we'll look at Zcash performance against Ethereum, Zcash market cap, and we'll finally look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance sits at 59%. Zcash is pumping. How will that affect the price of Zcash in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Zcash has been pumping over the last 1 week, over the last 1 month. Zcash has been rallying aggressively to higher values. A lot of market participants are FOMOing into Zcash. Zcash trades around $172 with a market cap of $2.8 billion. Zcash fully diluted market cap sits around $3.6 billion. Zcash all-time highs happened on the 29th of October. 9 years ago, in 2016, we saw Zcash trading for as high as $5,941. Right now, Zcash is down 97% from that all-time highs. But that's not stopping Zcash from pumping. Remember, the altcoin market is very, very volatile. We're talking about Zcash over the last few weeks when Zcash was first trading around the $40 level, the $50 level, and the last few weeks have seen Zcash run parabolically. Zcash has gone as high as $179. On the 17th of August 2025, Zcash was trading at $33. Market participants were not excited. They didn't believe that the pump is going to come. Is this time different? When is the altcoin season going to start? Zcash has quietly walked its way, rallying up by more than 400% in the last 54 days. And the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, watch out for what Zcash is going to do. Zcash could easily rally to the highest price we have seen since 2021. Zcash right now is facing the next resistance level, which is the $213 level. We saw Zcash topping there in March of 2022. Hopefully, this time around, we'll blast to the $211 level. But remember, I talked about in the previous videos, there's still some strong resistance for Zcash before we start getting into highs not seen since 2021. The $293 level will be another level. We saw Zcash getting stopped out there in November of 2021. And if Zcash is going to go to the highest prices we have seen since 2017, we need Zcash to rally past the $365 level. Right now, Zcash is pumping, guys. A lot of bears are getting liquidated. A lot of market participants that short Zcash on the 20th of August when Zcash was still trading around $34. Right now, there are some huge losses. They have seen the market go up by 400%. From where Zcash is currently trading right now, for us to get to that $365 level, we need Zcash to pull up another 100%, which is very, very possible. I always say this, the final phase of the market cycle, guys, is the most lucrative. That's where most of the gains are made. If you have been holding Zcash over the last few years, let's assume you're one of the smart players that bought Zcash in July of 2025. You held, you saw your Zcash went up 300% in 200 days. You held, and you saw your Zcash just up 125% in 400 days. If you give up, guys, you missed the big pump. You missed Zcash pumping up by more than 400% in less than 60 days. So the faster Zcash pump, guys, the more you know we're getting to the end. If you look back in history, you look at what Zcash has done. Anytime Zcash start going parabolic, yes, good times are returning back to the altcoin market. Yes, market participants are excited that Zcash is pumping. But when the pump ends, we begin our dump to gobbling town. I always tell you guys, remember, you're playing a game right now. The game is against other market participants. The game is a game of liquidity. You're trying to buy as low as possible. You're trying to sell as high as possible. You're trying to buy when there's fear in the market, and when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, you want to sell for some sweet profits. And right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, market participants are excited. Bitcoin is near all-time highs. Ethereum is near all-time highs. BNB pumps to near all-time highs. Zcash and selected few other altcoins are having the time of their life, pumping aggressively. In the next few days, guys, I believe we're going to see greed, extreme greed, return back to the cryptocurrency market. It has been long we saw extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Don't be shocked. In the next few days, we see extreme greed returning back to the market. You see altcoins pumping front, left, and center. You see market participants behaving irrationally. Remember, we always talked about how the higher we go, the crazier it becomes. The higher we go, the more market participants start behaving irrational. And irrational behaviors is what we expect during altcoin season. It's what we expect to see when the market is coming to an end. Zcash still has one more resistance level that might bust a lot of market participants' mindset. This level is where if we get to, guys, if we get to the $900 region, I'm sure the FOMO is going to be outrageous. Right now, Zcash is around $172. If Zcash rally, breaking all the resistance level I've showed you guys, that's $200, $293, $365, and get to as high as $900, Zcash will need to pull off a 444% move from where we're currently trading right now, which is very possible. You never want to underestimate these altcoins. The altcoin market is very volatile, one of the most volatile markets in the world. You never want to say never. The altcoin market, volatility, it's your friend, it's not your enemy. Volatility is a future, it's not a bug. Yes, we should see huge dumps to gobbling town, which we have seen Zcash done in the past. We have seen Zcash after it was launched. We've seen it first lose 99% of its value. Not only that, when the bull market ended in 2017, we saw Zcash also dumping aggressively to gobbling town, losing 97% of its value. We also saw Zcash dumping again when the 2021 bull market ended. We saw Zcash again losing 95% of its value. So it's normal for Zcash to dump, but then the inverse of that is that Zcash usually pumps when the market is bullish. We saw it pump in the 2017 bull market. Zcash went up 3,200%. In 2021, when the market was pumping, Zcash also rallied up by more than 1,500%. And right now, in 2024, 2025, we've seen Zcash go from an all-time low of $15 where it was trading in July of 2024. We've seen Zcash get to as high as $174, which is a 1,000% move. If you see Zcash rallying past $365, Zcash would have been up 2,000%. If you see Zcash getting to the $900 level, Zcash would have been up a whopping 5,000%. But don't get carried away, guys. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profit. If you want to get some Zcash for yourself, you can get some Zcash on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on HTX, on Bitfinex, on Kraken. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Zcash right now. Zcash has been pumping. A lot of market participants suddenly start caring about privacy, and Zcash, Monero are the two biggest privacy coins we have in the cryptocurrency market. So don't be surprised if you see more crazy price predictions about where Zcash is going in the coming days and coming weeks. Right now, guys, we're not in altcoin season. We have seen a little taste of altcoin season in 2025. A lot of altcoins were not pumping front, left, and center then. But right now, according to the altcoin season index, we're not in altcoin season. Bitcoin is still up 4.3% over the last 90 days. And the only way we can get to altcoin season is if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That's what we call altcoin season. Right now, Zcash and a host of other altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin. Over the next 5 days, over the next 10 days, I'll expect to see the altcoin season index get into altcoin season as altcoins start going parabolic. First, it starts with Zcash, it starts with other altcoins before the whole market will take off and we'll start singing Kumbaya. If you look at Zcash performance against Ethereum, the biggest altcoin we have in the cryptocurrency market, Zcash has been popping. Zcash has been rallying aggressively. We talked about how Zcash could easily have a 200 to a 400% pump against Ethereum. And right now, Zcash is up 300 138% against Ethereum over the last 49 days. We can easily see Zcash pumping to higher prices, but don't forget guys, we're in a very, very strong level here. Zcash might face some resistance along the way. I'll not be shocked if Zcash they have about 50 to 100% pump against Ethereum. Some smart whales that made some profit in Ethereum have been flipping those gains into Zcash, and that's why you're seeing Zcash outpace Ethereum. Zcash is trading at the highest price we've seen it trade against Ethereum since October 2022. If you look at Zcash market cap, it's also been rallying aggressively with all market participants getting excited. Zcash market cap is almost at a new all-time highs, where Zcash market cap is currently trading right now around the $2.9 billion level. The all-time high for Zcash market cap, guys, sits around the $4.2 billion region, which is very, very easy for Zcash to surpass. From where we're currently trading right now, Zcash needs to rally up by around another 60% for us to get to new all-time highs, which I believe Zcash will blast into. Maybe we get to the $10 billion level, maybe we get to the $15 billion level, but one thing is sure, the higher we go, guys, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profit. The rally doesn't last forever. Bitcoin dominance will soon start dumping. Hopefully, when Bitcoin dominance dump, when we see that bearish divergence or that bullish divergence on Bitcoin dominance and all coins are pumping, that will be a telltale sign to run for the hills. But right now, all things good, all things dandy. Zcash is pumping to higher prices. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. When are you buying more Zcash? When are you selling your Zcash stocks for some sweet profit? More importantly, how high do you see Zcash going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.